listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to Upptalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say Upptalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Now we need to run the prerequisites, right? Basically, for this AD group creation and all in organizations, they will take care. Active Directory team will take care. We are not bothering about that. They are the responsible to create us. We will just inform them and they will create for us. For time being here, no one was created. We are creating now, but in the organizations, we are not responsible for that. IP addresses and Active Directory groups, all those things they will take care. IP addresses and all those things network team will provide us. What is this? Just open that. Why you open this? We need prerequisites. We are running like this, right? Open that folder. Where is the file she saved, right? Open that. Here are the prerequisites. Select the path in the left side. Click on that. Here we can open the Windows, PowerShell. As administrator, right? Go ahead, administrator. I think you have permission. Maximize that screen. I will give the command. I pasted one code. Get execution policy. Results should be restricted. Set execution policy by bus. Or if you want to type, you can type by seeing that. Like this, right? I am not able to see. Can you maximize the screen? Get execution policy. It should be restricted. Set execution policy. Then after that, press down arrow on up arrow. It will select for one thing. Down arrow or up arrow, something else. You can click. Press down arrow or up arrow. I am doing but nothing comes. You can press 4 arrows. Is that right? Down arrow, side arrow, whatever. It is not working. No. We just give tab. Installation. What is that? Installation. Not that one. Again, please. Hardening piece. Next. PVA and PVA hardening. Configure.xml. Next, a PVA. Create took the 6, yeah. That piece one right. And the right. One second. There is some errors. Whatever the term, result is not recognized as the name of. Once again, let me try one. Open that folder. No, it's not. Just run that. PVA. Just one, right? That one. What did this? That is fine. Close that. Close that. Why it is not working? What is that error? It shows the result is not recognized as the same as the name of CMD, let function script file, or operable program. Check the spelling of the name or if the path was included. Verify that the path is correct and try again. Path is correct on the web. What is the purpose of giving this get execution policy? That is the policies, whatever the policies which we are giving, right? But the organization policy, we don't want to disturb that. Or you can try for direct. This is the execution policy which we are following. There is no specific. I said mandatory to give. Just giving directly is fine, I guess. But in the organization, you have to give like this on the command. In the organization, whenever you are doing the installation, just straight away go and copy all the folders and paste in some and start doing the installation. Whenever you guys are doing in the organization. No need to worry about all the other things. Is that done? It's done. Just try for that in that start button. Type that search in the TIAS application whether it is installed. It is done. It is done. It is done. You can close the portal. Go to the start button. You can check that whether TIAS application is installed or not. Search it. Type. No problem. This is the one. Open it. Once you run that, you can able to see this app is installed here automatically. Maximize. Go to that below and PV View Administrator. And also, can you open that C folder? Keep it that. Just open that C folder. I just want to check that. Go to the folder. Drive. Is there any C drive? No, go to the PC. Click on this PC. Name that any separate files. Anything. Programming files. Go to the programming files. Administrator. Go to downloads. Downloads. Download. No problem. Open that. Go to move forward. Password web alt access. Any new thing added here? Click on date modification. The sixth one is there. Right. Go to the installation menu. Installation automation. Any new thing? Open that. Open this. That means newly added. Whenever you are doing the PVW prerequisites, it is done. Just check whether the file is added or not. That is the date and time. You can see that. That means you already completed the prerequisites. Once you've done the installation of the PVW, again we can check that. Same way. You can see here shift execution is ended. Correct. Just check that. This is for reference. Execution end. That's not it. Now set up right. Go to the dice. Select edit. Edit site. Anything. Few sites. Add under the actions. Where's actions? Right side. I have binding. Is there any bindings? We start stop. We have protection. View sites. Click on that. Click on that. Default website. Click on that. Any bindings is there here? Right side. Edit site under bindings. Click on that. Here we need to select as HTTP. Address. Just add it. Hostname. Click on that. All nice. What is there? All are assigned. Keep it that. Port number 80. What is the host? Host. What is the host name? 1 second. Cancel it now. We'll add it later. Select that and close that. Go to the ISN sites. Here click on the sites and the left side. Default site. The same way. Now what to do here? This is fine. Don't touch anything. TP only. Correct. Go to the again. Again, go to the default websites. Anyway, 1 second. Go to the default website. Here only. I already clicked and I want to see the certification. That's what. Go to the PVA directly. SSL certification, you can see. Server certificate. Server certificates. Click on that. 1 second. What is this? Is there any bindings? In the right side. Create a certificate request. Create a self-signed certificate. That is a friendly name for the certificate. A specified friendly name for the certificate. Give any name here. That takes you something. But in the organizations, while you are doing all these steps, it will, by default, will come. But lab, we need to set up everything. Click. We can set up that certificate. What is this? Go to that. Server manager and import. Server certifications. Certificate. And import. Click on that. Go to path. We need to check whether do you have anything. Download it or something. It is not created. Open that. One certificate should be created. That's what I'm looking. In case I saw a certificate. In every server there will be a certificate. In PSM I saw a certificate. In Pay it is required. But PV also. It is required on the certificate. But it is not here 1 minute. Just go to your folder. We would check in the folders whether we can. That is the PD something. Wait here. Just open your folder. Not here, come out. Cancel here. Cancel this. Cancel this. Close completely folder this and go open your folder. C drive or something. Minimize this. ISS application. Open your folder. Just check here. You don't go to users. Administrator. Public or administrator. Go to the users. I just want to see go to the users back. Anything is. These are the databases. Open that users. Anything 6.1 created. Administrator fine. Go. What is the documentation? Go to the documents. Back. P. Back. Backside. Go to back. Look. And here 61 is the right. What is that? Net. EPA netpads. The second one. What is that called? Initpub. Open that. That is a date modified newly. That's what I'm saying. Maximize. I'm not able to see. There is a temp file. Read it. The folder name, customer history logs, temp over root. Oh, these are the one is a local. Another one is a temp file. Here it is creating. Open that log files. Fail direct log files. Logs. Then the blame SVC. Go back. Temp. And yes. And open. That is the very compressed defense. Open that open. No problem. Program files. I think it is not there. It's required. Certificate. We have to add the certificate in client's environment or it will be automatically added. No, we need to add here manually. While we are on the customer and when we have to add manually. Or for the PO or B7 or only a bit of leave. What about the others? Others we can make will automatically take. That's what I told you right yesterday. You guys want to be adding this. I just want to know what's. No, we need to set it. This is a web browser, web console, right? We need to add it manually. In the one where there is one manual step that is needs to add the certificate needs to be added manually. And by default it would take HTTP, right? We need it. We need to add it manually here. That's what I'm looking for, the certification part here. How did you download? How did you install? Sahib? I didn't add any certificate far. I decided to an HTTP. It's an ATP. No, it's it. HTTPS. We required SL certification. We can add. Add later also. Because I'm going to click to the setup then. But make sure this is the important point, guys. You may. In the interview, they ask questions, and this question will come in the Defender exam and Senator exam. It's a mandatory. You can select a techie. Now I think techie. We create a techie. I can select that. Any. This is the ticket we only created, right? Click on. That's fine. Go. The basically what we will do here. We just add that SSL certificate import from our desktop or local drive. We can paste here. You can import directly. Oh, it is automatically created this certificate, right? Certificate automatically in the organization in Rome and it will create. It is created by the POA or no, the license which we are purchasing from the cyber. They will give you all these certifications. .NET Framework is not installed. I don't know. Where is this .NET? The previous is done right. No, we need that .NET Framework right. And I think that is not here. The doc. Open that. Point for it. 4.8. 4.8. It was downloaded. I thought, but it's not here. It's not installed. What's the problem here? No, I was just looking for that framework. It is there or not. Whenever you are running the prerequisites, it will automatically download that 4.8.NET. When we are doing that, prerequisites, yes. That is the responsibility to take care of all this thing. But open that. What error message is she facing? And then the .NET framework is not installed. They're asking for that. It's not here right now. .NET Framework 4.8 is not installed on the current machine. Please install .NET Framework 4.8 before running the installation again. Open that prerequisites. Automation. Installation automation. Prerequisites. This one. The new one. Just open that prerequisite script. You can see here. Control F and type 4.8. I think this is the old script. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.